We'll guide you through how to make light rays in Premiere Pro. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To begin this tutorial, open Adobe Premiere Pro on your computer. Click New Project to start a new editing project and open the Setup window. In the Project Name field, type the name of your project or file, for example, how to make light rays in Premiere Pro, so it is easy to recognize later. After naming the project, choose the file location where you want to save the project on your computer to keep everything organized. Once all settings are ready, click Create to open the project workspace and access the editing interface. Next, click File from the top menu to import the media you want to use. From the menu that appears, select Import to open the file browser window. For example, choose the image you want to use, then click Open to import it into the project. After the file appears in the project panel, drag the image onto the timeline to create a new sequence or place it into an existing one. This image will serve as the base for creating the light rays effect. Once the image is placed on the timeline, select the pen tool from the toolbar to begin drawing a custom shape. Draw the shape directly in the program monitor according to your needs, for example, similar to the shape shown in the video. This shape will act as the base for the light rays. After drawing the shape, select the selection tool to exit drawing mode and adjust the shape if necessary. Next, go to the Properties panel to modify the appearance of the shape. Click the color box in the fill section, then change the fill color according to your needs, and click OK to apply it. After setting the color, go to the Effects panel and use the search bar to type Gaussian Blur to locate the effect. Drag the Gaussian Blur effect onto the image layer in the timeline to apply it. Then go to the Effect Controls panel to adjust the effect settings. Adjust the blurriness value according to your needs to create a soft and glowing light ray effect. Scroll down until you find the opacity section, then adjust the opacity value to blend the light rays naturally with the image until the final result looks smooth and visually appealing.